Alright, hello guys, this is Hurricane Barbara as we watch it develop and get stronger before it makes landfall at Hawaii or near Hawaii. You can see the storm has an eye to it, a clear and definite eye to this storm. You can just see it move across the eastern Pacific. And as it does that, we are getting ready for a horrible landfall from this storm. So, I'm going to show you guys that a lot of these models show it getting to a Cat 4. Some of them show it getting to a Cat 5. One, actually. You can see off to just over. Okay, what the? Okay, can it relax? Alright, that's fine. Alright. So, a lot of these models showing it get to a Cat 5. You can see it has that rotation. Has a nice. It's just gonna be making landfall. One shows it getting to a Cat 5. This storm is gonna be a doozy. I want everyone that lives in Hawaii to heed everything that the government says and the National Weather Service says, because this storm is going to be making landfall either as from a Cat 2 to a Cat 4. Those are the possibilities. I'm going to say probably a Cat 3 at landfall maybe. But you never know. This thing is going to be a doozy of a storm. So, you can just see the development. We have a lot of convectivity with this storm. And the bands out over that way to the east of it are developing too. Get just more signs. This thing is getting much stronger. The eye, clear, definite eye with this thing, can see straight down into the Pacific Ocean. Let me go over to this right here. So you can see that is Hurricane Barbara, and you can just see what a beast it is, and it just gets more like together as it moves across the Eastern Pacific, and finally around probably Saturday it starts to die off again and move off. Then we have more things, more of these. There's just a lot of activity, a lot of moisture in the Eastern Pacific. I don't know what that was. Okay. Yeah, there's just a lot of moisture in the Eastern Pacific. So we're going to be monitoring this storm and much more with what's going on with it. Now, I'm going to relax. I'm going to show you. Relax. Hold on. So you can see Sunday, June 30th. That's where it is, and it quickly develops into this monster of a storm that we have here. Look at this bad boy. Just that thing is going to cause some horrible things to happen. That was Tuesday, and it got bigger as of today, and it keeps just staying really strong until around Friday, July 5th. Actually, July 6th. Yeah, Saturday, July 6th is when it stops being as strong as it was. So that is just going to be monstrous, as I have already said. So yeah, people in Hawaii, make sure you have something to get warnings. Make sure you have a plan. Why am I yawning so much today? I'm sorry, guys. I am yawning so much. Ugh. Okay. But yeah. Yeah. So that is basically what we have going for us in the Eastern Pacific, and more of these are gonna come. And let's go over to East Pacific Hurricane Barbara Model Intensive. And you can see one model shows it getting to Cat 5 and then declines all the way down. It has a pretty strong Cat 5. A lot of them just show it reaching strong Category 4 and then drop all the way down. We have a couple models that are just showing it kind of remain as strong as it is. I don't. It's kind of anyone's guess with the storm. I'm gonna say it remains a strong Category 4, possibly a Cat 5. I'm gonna say possibly it'll reach Cat 5. And here are spaghetti models for this bad boy. And you can see basically all of these models show it making landfall at Hawaii or near Hawaii. That's going to cause a lot of dangerous rip currents, riptide, really strong waves. You shouldn't be out in the storm. All these models showing it. Here it is right here. And that is a beast of a storm that's going to be making landfall. If you want to buy it zoomed in, that's because it helps me a lot. But yeah, so yeah, it's going to be a monster at landfall. Hawaii, everyone in Hawaii, please watch your weather. Watch the local news source. Get ways of information, because this thing will be knocking on your doorstep pretty soon. So, there's actually one more thing I want to show you guys. So here's the Storm Prediction Center. And, hold on. Day 1 convective outlook. I'm just going to go to all convective outlooks. So current day 1, you can see a lot of just rumble of thunder for a lot of people all across America. Even in upper Maine, Michigan, kind of the southern part of Michigan, you have a risk for just thunder. Now we have slight risk in Wyoming. We have good chances for slight risk, and we have marginal all along there, and basically a lot of Florida. That was like a perfect shape for Florida. That was actually pretty good. So isolated severe thunderstorms capable of large hail and wind damage are expected this afternoon and evening over portions of the northern plains. Other strong to locally severe thunderstorms may occur this afternoon or early evening across the Midwest to the Mid-Atlantic through Carolinas, as well as the Florida Peninsula. Upper plains, a upper level trough will remain over the Pacific Northwest. Actually, I'm just going to leave this out just in case you guys want to watch it. Pause the video, read all that. Alright, so I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, maybe subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all Friday when we record another video. Goodbye!